Hey guys, Merry Christmas again and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to unbox my Christmas gifts, so let's get started. Hey, so it's a time that I've been waiting for. I'm so excited. Alright, so since this is the smallest one, wow. Okay, so for the one I love at Christmas, woo! I get ready! Well, we couldn't too much money we get. So I get money, and I put it in my pocket. Okay, so my postcard is saying beside a glowing fireplace, which is on my TV right now, or frosty window pane, while holding hands and strolling down a scenic snowy lane, together at Christmas feast or under the milestone. I see our love in everything and everywhere we go. So thankful for our love at Christmas and always. Thank you, babe. To the one I love, Merry Christmas. Go and get your green hug. Oh, go and get your green bag. Go and get your green bag. Love you from the one I love. Okay. So this is gift number 1 and this melts my heart. Alright, let's go with this one. Hey! Hey! Yes! Now I'm nervous. Okay, so this is our shoes, and it's from Coach. Okay. Okay, perfect fit. Alrighty. So this is gift number 2 and I'm loving it. I've been wanting a coat slippers to go with my bag for a long time now, so I finally get it for Christmas and I'm loving it. Okay, so it's a woo-hoo. So this is a cologne set from Jimmy Choo. Okay. Okay, so moving on to gift number, how much that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Gift number 4. Cologne is so nice. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! So gift number 4 is a handbag from my oh, she brand this. Brand this again. So this is a cute little red bag from Ralph Lauren and I'm loving it. Okay. It comes with this strap. Yeah, I'm feeling this bag. I'm loving it. Alright, so that is it, guys. It's done for me. Is there anything else over there for me? More right there? Which one? This? Oh, that's it. I have another gift. Oh, thought that was it for me, I know. There's another gift. Oh wow. So this is gift number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is gift number 5. Whew. Jordan sign. Jordan, hey. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Yes, I'm loving my shoes already, guys. I have a wig in this color that I've worn only one time. So now I can wear my wig again because I have a shoes to go with it. Ooh. Oh my god. What size?
Put up with like
size?
7 or so. If not, we can get you in a different skin.
And it's my perfect size, you know.
You have your socks on it, right? Oh, cute.
Yeah.
It's really cute.
I love it. Oh my god, I'm loving my shoes. Step one, them in my Jordan one, you know. This is my shoes, I'm loving it. So gift number 5, just top it off for me. I'm loving my shoes, loving my bag, loving my cologne. Plus, so what's again? Okay, so that's it for my gifts, and I appreciate every single thing I received today on this Christmas Day. Thank you, babe, for my gifts. Thank my brother-in-law, and yeah. So that's it for my gift unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you do have yourself a Merry Christmas, and I hope you get something as well. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all on my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.